Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will be talking about how we can enhance readabilities with range names. Let's begin. In Excel, we can name the cell or a range of cells, which can be used in the formulas also. There are multiple ways in which a cell name can be used in the formula. Let's look over them. In the new salary section, we need to calculate the salary of the users, employees, okay, by 2.9%, 91%. For this, the first way is we will be using cell G2 into cell G1 plus cell G2. It helps in calculating the new salary of an employee. Now, if we just drag it down to the other cells, then the salary of all the employees are being calculated. But I will be just going back to this cell. Uh, Now, over clicking on K2, K1 cell, we can see the name which has been provided to the K1. We haven't assigned any name yet, so it is K1 yet. For providing a name to the cell, click over this arrow, right? First, please make sure that you're not adding any spaces or special symbols over here. A space bar is also not supported. Percent increase. Okay. So I've named this cell as per I've named this cell as percent increase. Now using this in the formula, instead of just erasing it up over here, we can click over the cell K1 and the name of cell is being shown over here. Now another way. I can just write letter P and similar to the functions which has been shown to us, the cell name is also shown in the options. Percent increase. So we have calculated the salary based on the using this new cell name which has been provided to us. Now another way. We can press F3 where we have to use the cell name or so by pressing the F3, the list of all cell names which has been available in our sheet will be shown over here, shown to us. For now, we have only percent increase as a cell name. Just click over here, OK, that. So we have our new salary being calculated. This is how we can add these salaries or calculate the salaries of all the employees. Let's move ahead. In this section, let's consider the cell range. I will be considering them as first half yearly sets. Okay. I would like to name them. So I'm coming over this cell range first half or half yearly. Okay, I just name them as half yearly. Now I need to calculate the sum of them. So I'm adding sum. I'm adding H. Cell range name is being shown over to us over here. I have to use this range name. The sum is being calculated to us. Now let's go with average. For average, I've selected bracket. I'm pressing F3. We have two names which has been available in our application in the workbook basically half yearly and percent increase. I need to consider half yearly. Close it up. Here is a value. Let's go with the min. Okay, I'm going again P half yearly 31. So in this way we can use the cell name and the range names in the cell in the worksheet anywhere And can we use them on the multiple times? Hope you really like this video. If you really like it, press the like button, share your opinions and views in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.